the media and anyone who's talking about this issue right now, you will forget it in 2 months. That makes me so angry and so upset because I don't know how to change that. I don't know what it looks like in 2 months or 4 months or 4 years. And I don't know how to elicit change, right? I can only do this. That's it. That's the biggest political statement I can make because I have no power. So hopefully with this many Indigenous voices speaking at the same time, somebody will listen. My name is Tracey-Mae-Chambers. I'm a Métis artist. I live in Hamilton, Ontario. I'm a professional sculptor, and site-specific art installation is also my specialty. Hope and Healing Canada is a series of site-specific installations across Canada, 71 at this point. I'm at number 26. They are my reaction to COVID, as well as decolonizing spaces and the discovery of graves at residential schools in Canada. Those lines are supposed to represent veins and blood and power and courage and all those things that I list. So you're looking through it through that lens as well, which I thought was great and was powerful. And that's what I want, because then that starts a conversation about why did I do that? And my relationship with the yarn, I always think of it as, considering females were only allowed to use textile arts as an art form for such a long time, it's sort of that's another political statement. You know, I'm still using this traditional material. I'm using it to say things against the patriarchy. So it's like, yeah, that's why I like to use yarn. So, because it feels defiant. Yeah, you relegated me to only use this. Okay, that's fine. Let's play, you know. I realized that I wanted to do a book after I did the installation at Black Creek Pioneer Village. When I arrived there, the curator took me around the venue, and as we were walking, there was a schoolhouse, and she said, "Oh, this is the template for the residential schools that Ryerson created." And I was gobstruck because I was like, "What?" I didn't know that doesn't say anything like that on the website. So we talked about that, and I asked if I could create there. And she said yes. So I created, it was a really hard place to work in. That was the hardest place I've created in. And I don't mean it was difficult as in physically difficult, it was emotionally difficult, because those chairs are really small. And all I could think about was that, how small these chairs were. And that, oh my God, sorry. Oh my God, what a baby, right? No, I'm fine. The chairs were really small. And so I built a longhouse over top of them, as though they were coming back to the longhouse, being brought back to the longhouse, or protected. I'm really sorry. I'm okay. No, it's okay. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I hope this isn't a blip, because I don't think Indigenous artists are represented adequately in Canadian art to begin with. It's incredibly encouraging that Indigenous artists are bringing an issue that is not just relevant in Canada. This is a global issue. And Indigenous voices are the ones that are being heard right now. The story is Indigenous, it is not a settler story. In order to be hopeful, in order to heal, I need to decolonize spaces. So every time I'm in a space, I view it as an act of like a political act of decolonizing a space. Just me being there and creating is a political act because it's changing the space and we're looking at things through an Indigenous view. So when people look in this window, they see the inside of this gallery through my view, through an Indigenous viewpoint.